Alright, so this is room 277 on deck 11. It is a concierge class room, infinite veranda, and we're going to show you around. So we got a couch, does not look like it makes a bed. Not sure on the size of the bed. I'd say at least a queen, maybe a king actually. It's pretty big. Let's see here. We've got the window down right now on the infinite veranda. See the boats going by. This is Fort Lauderdale. All right, so here are the controls. I believe there's a curtain. We haven't tried to use it yet. There is a pocket door. So, see if I can get this on camera. There's a door that you can close off the balcony area. Pretty good sized TV. And take a look around here. Little work desk. Looks like it slides in and out to make more room. This is your charging ports for the Celebrity Beyond. And there is, if I remember correctly, there is storage. There's our robes. There is closets in this corner. There's the safe and more closet space. And I believe these also open. Yeah, there's more closet space on this corner. That one on top is closed. You have an electronic thermostat with room controls. I believe you can control the window and shade, but don't hold me to that. Here's some of the deck information. And let's take a look at the bathroom. So the bathrooms are supposed to be pretty good size, and I would say they are. It has a acrylic shower door instead of a curtain, which is always nice. It's got a really nice sink area, and it's like a hair dryer down there, outlet underneath, and I don't know if I can get in here and take a better view of the shower. So pretty good sized shower. For a cruise ship, probably not going to get much bigger for a normal sized room until you start getting into the bigger suites. So here are their shampoos and whatnot. Let's see if I can get the brand on there. One cool thing about Celebrity is they let you put your luggage in the room when you get on board, even if your room is not cleaned all the way yet. We have the window open on the veranda, so you can see it's fogging up in here because the air conditioning turns off when you open the window. So it's kind of an interesting problem. You can see there is moisture on the TV from the window being open, but it does add quite a bit of space to the room because when you have the window shut, it's basically like having an ocean view room with a giant window, and you've got all this extra floor space in the room. So kind of the best of both worlds. You can look outside and also have you can have a window view, you can have a balcony view, or you can close the window and have the extra floor space and not have to worry about your air conditioning turning off. So leave questions in the comments. I'm sure I missed something. There is a power outlet next to the bed, so if you have like a CPAP machine or want to charge your phone, that works. So, all right, there you go.